Rooster, you like your little bed? You like your little bed? Come here. You like it? Come on, get in it. You like your little bed? Come on. It's a pretty little bed. Are you going to bite me? You want me to take it away from you? Get in there. Come on, get in your little bed. Come on. You are being bad. That's ugly. Get in your little bed. Just get in there. Go sleep in your little bed. Come on. Rooster. Rooster. That's a pretty bed. It's a pretty bed. Look here. Get in there. You like it? Huh? You like it? You slept in it last night. Yes, you did. You like it? Say, hi, it's my bed. Hey, can Mommy have it? Yeah, Mommy have it? You are so bad. I'm glad you like your bed. You like your bed? You like it? Huh? Is that your bed? Go lay in your bed. Be a good boy. I love you. The Mommy's baby. The Mommy's baby. Go lay in your bed. It's pretty. Bye-bye.